We often create things called anger management. Well, we're going to learn something today that we can't just keep managing people. We got to stop managing them and teach them how to stop getting angry. And the only way you can stop getting angry is to manage your response to what's coming at you. You got to understand what's coming at you. Did someone hurt my feelings? Am I afraid of something? Remember, under anger, we basically have these feelings. We are either experiencing hurt, we're experiencing a want, we're experiencing a fear because we care. And that's basically where anger lives. So if I'm teaching responsibility and I want to start talking about anger, we're going to learn that to ask ourselves, when I feel angry, is it because my feelings are hurt? Is it because I'm afraid of something? Is it because I want something I can't have? Because I care about it. And that's basically it.
Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.